Okay, the last thing we're going to review is when we have patterns in a table. So this is what we talked about yesterday. So remember, you're finding the relationship between one category and the other category. So something you need to always ask yourself whenever you have a question like this is, how are these numbers related? So remember, there could be a horizontal table where it's going from side to side. So it's one category to the next category, or one category to the next category. Remember, it can go from left to right, but it also can go from right to left. So be really careful. Make sure you're reading what the titles are for the categories, because that's going to help you decide which way you're going to go. So remember, it can be horizontal, but they also can be vertical. So for a vertical one, remember, it's going to go from the top to the bottom, or from the bottom to the top. And again, you're going to look at the category titles to help you decide which way you're going to go. And you remember, you're always asking yourself, how are these numbers related? How do I get from one number to the next number? So be super careful with these questions.